आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello guys, have a look to the question. For r belongs to 0 to 1, let nr denote the line that is normal to the curve y equals to x to the power r, and at 1 comma 1 means the normal is at 1 comma 1. Let sr denotes the region in first quadrant bounded by y equals to x to the power r. The x axis and the normal, मतलब ये तीनों कर्व से एक रीजन बाउंड हो रहा है इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, जिसको हम लोग एस आर से डिनोट कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसा वैल्यू ऑफ आर that minimizes SR is, you have to find that minimum value, the value of R for which SR is minimum. Okay, so first of all, what we'll be doing, that we'll just find we have given y equals to x to the power R. Okay, so it is the graph is R belongs to 0 to 1, so the graph is roughly it's like this. Okay, it's roughly like this, and at 1 comma 1 there is a normal drawn. Okay, so let's calculate the equation of normal. What will be the equation of normal? So dy by dx will be equals to r times x to the power r minus 1. So this is the slope of tangent. Slope of normal will be minus 1 upon dy by dx, that is r times x to the power n minus 1. This is the slope of normal. Okay, it is the slope of normal. At which point 1 comma 1, so in the place of 1 x will put 1, so it will be minus 1 by r. So the slope of normal is minus 1 by r. We'll calculate the equation of normal. Any line can be written as y equals to mx plus c, can be written, and we know the slope is given as minus 1 by r of the normal plus c. Also this point 1 comma 1, since the normal is drawn to be at this point, so 1 comma 1 will satisfy this equation of normal. So putting 1 comma 1, it will be 1 minus 1 equals to minus 1 by r plus c. From here the value of c will be 1 plus 1 by r. Finally the equation becomes as y equals to minus 1 by r times x plus 1 plus 1 by r, putting the value of c in this equation. Okay, so this is the equation of normal we get from it. This is basically the equation of normal. Now we get the normal. Now the figure we'll try to find, suppose the normal is drawn like this, we'll try to find this point. Okay, so y equals to minus 1 by r times x plus 1 plus 1 by r. Okay, to find this point, what we'll be doing, we'll be putting y as 0. So 0 equals to minus 1 by r times x plus 1 by r. From here the value of x can be deduced, and what is the value of x from here? We can say it is r plus 1. So what point this is? This point is nothing but r plus 1. Okay, this point is nothing but r plus 1, and this point was 1. So the area enclosed by the graph, the normal and the x-axis is this area, this plus this area. So what is the area? SR will be given by integration of the graph x to the power r into dx from where to where, 0 से लेके 1 तक, plus the area of this triangle, half into base is r plus 1 up to this, and this is 1, so base is r and the height is 1. Okay, so this is SR. We'll calculate it as x to the power r plus 1 upon r plus 1 0 से लेके 1 plus r by 2. Okay, we'll calculate it as, we'll put 1, it will be 1 upon r plus 1, and on putting 0 it will vanish, plus r by 2. So this is what, this is the area bounded by the given, means in the question what the graph was given. According to that question, the area bounded is given by this, means SR is depending on r as 1 upon r plus 1 plus r by 2. Now we have to calculate r so that SR is minimum. So for minimum, what we do, we just differentiate. We find dsr by dr. it will come out to be minus 1 upon r plus 1 का whole square plus 1 by 2. And for minimum, this should be 0. Okay, so 0 equals to minus 1 upon r plus 1 का whole square plus 1 by 2. From here, we will calculate r plus 1 का whole square will be equals to 2. Okay, and since r is positive quantity, so r plus 1 will be plus root 2, not minus root 2. Okay, r is a positive quantity, so positive plus positive का square will be positive. If it comes out to be negative, if it was to be negative, then we have to take it as minus root 2. So from here, the value of r comes out to be root 2 minus 1. So at value r equals to root 2 minus 1, the area bounded by the given conditions will be minimum.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।